Okay, bago natin i-award ang ating mga iba pang award, ibigay muna po natin ang certificate ng ating mga instructors. This certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Blanc as a marathon lead instructor held in celebration of the 11th anniversary of the Agapay Mo Marathon. So this certificate of appreciation is awarded to Susia Magracia, Mavi Persilia Lucena, Belinda Cortez Alas, Veronica Del Guajiro, Marathon lead instructor Merlita Adaptante, Marathon lead instructor Ann Lacson, Zin Belinda, Marathon lead instructor, Coach Apple, Marathon lead instructor, Bella Almasan, Marathon lead instructor, Emma D. Presillas, Marathon lead instructor, Diony Tarosa, Marathon lead instructor, Marathon lead instructor, Coach Bunso, Coach Gigi Diones, Marathon lead instructor, Steve Joy Alison Ramilo, one of the Marathon lead instructor, Marlene Burilla, Marathon lead instructor, Marie-Chris Abelis, Marathon lead instructor, Joan Bacapillo, Marathon lead instructor, Jocelyn Kasinski, Marathon lead instructor, Malu Parte, lead ODS lead instructor. Okay, Camille Pangangara, ODS lead instructor, Karen Arellino, ODS lead instructor, Cindy Mai Montero, ODS lead instructor. Please. Okay, ODS lead instructor, Mary Ann Perez. Mary Ann Perez, one of the lead ODS lead instructor. Coach Fatima Bagins, ODS lead instructor. Eric Reñero, ODS lead instructor. Joey Geronimo, Hermono, ODS lead instructor. Zin Tony, Marathon lead instructor. Coach Ian Grace Lita, ODS lead instructor. Eliza Jean Marquez, ODS lead instructor. Elena Nagdakaran, ODS lead instructor. And of course, ating mga murado. May we call on Sergeant Princess Sandra Mulda for being our judge for the KMK ODS dance competition. Of course, RK Aaron Prandia was the judge for the KMK on-the-spot dance contest. Dito muna kayo, Sergeant Luida. Ayan, para may picture kayo with the certificate. And of course, Coach Josephine Espinosa, one of the judge for the ODS dance competition. Of course, i-award natin ang special certificate of recognition for Cynthia Baudi as the head coach coordinator of F1 Ladies for joining at the KMK on-the-spot dance competition. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Madam Cynthia Baudi, for being host coordinator ng F1 Ladies. Hello po, maraming salamat po, ma'am. Ayan, syempre ang ating isa sa mga supporting instructor, Coach Jimmy. Coach Jimmy. Okay, sorry sa mga murado. Okay, maaari po paulit makasama ang ating mga murado for the awarding ng ating mga champion. Of course, ang ating mga officer, of course, syempre ang ating presidente. For our best in costume. Congratulations to awan tawag na mga bono ko. Buti kinurin ako, hindi bubulot ako ng 500. Oh, eto ha, for clarification. Ang ating best costume ay makaka-receive ng 1,000 pesos only. Dinigin, last trophy from KMK. Congratulations to